Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn off or deactivate Firewall on Windows 11. First thing first, right click on the Windows icon in the taskbar. Or you can just click the arrow button up and you'll find it. Select Settings and in the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Tap on Windows Security and then click Open Windows Security. In the window, select Firewall and Network Protection. Then click the active network, for example Public Network, Private Network or Domain Network. Under the Microsoft Defender Firewall, toggle the switch to Off. Just do what you gotta do and then turn it back on because you have to, unless you want your PC to be vulnerable to viruses. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.